The whole church swarmed. The band started playing. A woman silenced. The blood of Jesus called down. I am sick of these vultures who destroy children to keep a man. And when they get old, they run to church and pretend they are decent. Church is not the place for a rape victim. Church is not the place for a rape victim to heal. These church people, are mental cases. We are watching a video with a lady named Sophia Morris, and she's in a church. You know, the church where people supposed to go for refuge and supposed to feel secure and get support. That is where she went to admit that she was raped at age 8. So let's just look at the video before I give you my thoughts on it. Let's look at the video.
My name is Sophia. My name is Sophia Morris. I was raped at 8.5 years old. I kept it to myself because I didn't know who to trust. They all look like him. 8.5 years old. Taffy, come up here.
Oh, God.
How old are you? 8. He's 8 years old. I was 8.5 when my mother's boyfriend took my childhood away from me. But God,
The blood of Jesus against that.
my mother knew about it. Okay, fine.
My God.
My mom
God
came to
will
me
kill you
2
for
days
that.
ago.
The blood of Jesus.
My mom was
No.
raped.
The
It's not
blood.
that. Okay,
No.
I'm bringing awareness.
She is lying.
Lying.
She is lying. I'm telling you about the blood of Jesus against her.
She's
I'm telling you.
She never loved me.
She is lying.
No.
She is lying. She is lying. And there is a God in heaven. She is lying. She might know and she can't have it.
We are
So this is now the untouchable topic. Nobody wants to hear about it. Other victims, I'm sure there are other women in that church. Probably some of them who rushed to help silence the girl. Probably some of them were also raped throughout their lives. But no, everybody is too ashamed. Nobody wants to talk about, nobody wants to hear about it, and nobody wants to take responsibility like the mother for what she allowed to happen. Now, do I believe this woman was raped? Yes, I believe. I have no reason to disbelieve, because the stories that I have been hearing about rape and about, I'm talking about things that happen in close proximity to places where I was raised, like next door neighbors. There was a man that owned a shop. His name was Hines, and this is in Golden Spring. He was raping off his daughters, and he tried to rape his granddaughters too. This man was a creep, and these people went to church. Just like you see these people in church, coming to silence the girl, the mother casting down blood on Jesus, and the girl saying she's lying. What reason does she have to be lying? How much shame come with just being a victim of that? And someone is brave enough to stand up in front of church and admit to everyone what happened to her. And this is the response from the church. Even the choir, the bands I should say, started playing to drown out this moment of truth. This moment when they were supposed to allow the girl to speak, allow the woman to speak, and get her story off her chest. Everybody should have just been silent and allowed her to do what she does. Too many people, like this woman who got up and started saying the girl is lying. Too many of them in their younger years. They tolerate all these things and just wreck the lives of a generation of women, and then they run to seek refuge in the church to hide away from the wickedness that they did. A lot of them are complicit. A lot of them are complicit just to keep a man and just to collect money. They allow the little girls to get raped. And then they put on long dress and gone in a church. I want to put on this front like they are decent people. Stop it. Nobody's buying that anymore. Nobody's buying that anymore. This is so cringe-worthy. Where is the support? Them run come grab the mic from the girl. So church is not a place for truth anymore. It's just a place for pastors and everybody to put up a front and tell lie and pretend to be good and pretend to be decent. If this isn't a sign of wickedness, how can a woman go to a place like this that she can't even have the stage to express things that happen to her? Even though these things are depressing, we're going to come to a moment of catharsis. If women continue to be brave enough to come forward and admit these things and expose these rapists and these rape sympathizers and accomplices, because any woman who allow a stepfather, a boyfriend, a father, a uncle, a brother, a son to rape any woman in them surroundings, they are accomplices. It doesn't matter if you were raped yourself and you think that is the way it should go. There's a time in your life where you have to take a stand and you have the responsibility to not allow the same crimes that happened to you, the same wickedness that was done unto you, to be done unto others. This is not normal. It is not how things are supposed to be. Rape is an absolute no-no. There were cultures in the world where when rape was committed, the punishment was castration. And that is the point we should be getting to. Now, the woman was saying, if there is a God in heaven, if there is a God in heaven, she is lying. If there is a God in heaven, she is lying. Okay, I also agree. If there is a God in heaven, please prove to me that the woman is lying. I have 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, no proof from God. That means I have to believe the girl because God in heaven hasn't proven to me that she is lying. Alright, so forget the church aspect of it, right? How come when you see a woman stand up and shout out, make she talk, make the girl talk. Oh, when you see a woman just get up and just defend this girl right to express herself? Why nobody not defend her? I mean, the fact that una a woman and una go through, una probably go through the same struggle at some point. That not enough for you say, boy, me support that girl, yeah. Me support that woman, yeah. Me defend her. Not that not cross none of your mind. I wanna live within yourself. I wanna live within yourself, knowing them things happen. I wanna not come to the girl aid. I wanna just come for silence the girl. I wanna just come for silence the woman. Like me can't understand. Me can't understand the mindset. Me can't understand the mindset. Like is rape wrong or not? Cause if it wrong, and this is the way you react when somebody talk about what happened to them, that means you're on the side where you support rape. Because if you are going to take a platform from the victim, that means you want to silence the victim, which is providing, what I say, tacit support, indirect support to the rapist. So now you become a sort of a rape apologist. Because what can result from people who are victims being silent? There is no good to be had from that. So what is the point of silencing a victim? I don't see the point of silencing a victim. And I don't see the point of all these women, these grown women, shouting down and cowing down this woman to the point where she has said, all I know are rapists. You can tell how she disgusted by them. She disgusted by them, and she never did have no confidence. Say them would have come to her aid. Versus what them do for silence her. You can tell it. Like she didn't expect that. Them never know where she was going with it. Them never know say she did actually expose somebody who complicit in the situation. One of the things that the little girl I got forget, my father beat me when I about 2. I remember that clear as day, the day when I get beaten. I remember I asked the help of a bus fare because I go back to my mother. I did 2 or go and 3. Barely could attack. So you knowing say the man raped the girl, you think say she a go grow up and turn a big woman and forget? You think say that not go scare her for life? You check say that not affect her relationship with man from that day forward? Only thing say she not psychologically damaged because of that? The time has come now where silence is no longer acceptable. Therefore, if one thing say una go allow the girl them forget to rape and then the girl them go shut up about it, una make a sad mistake because there's something called the internet, social media, and the world is listening. People are listening for this, and no longer something where on a silence or in the church and then there is no video evidence of what happened, and everybody can pretend like everything Chris and Corey. That not go work again, people. It not go work again. So either una just start fix up on yourself and stop endorse this raping business and stop trying to silence the victim them and start provide support and provide platforms for them come express themselves and start the healing process. Because the silencing thing not go work. It not go work. Silence is support. Leave your comments on this video. I would like to know your opinion on this video, and if you have any information to corroborate this woman's story, please feel free to provide that information. But for now, there's nothing preventing me from believing what this woman is saying.